Okay, hi. Here we have FNIRSI cordless soldering. I've done already a video about the Type C. This one is totally portable. Which means you can't open it. Oh, I have here a knife. Nice, it came with this box. Okay, we have here a separate soldering head that I order in tips. Okay, then we have the soldering itself. There is another tip here. You choose what is this? Maybe you put it, maybe I don't know. Okay, nice. Tips. The tips are very small because this one is totally portable, so you need very small tips. Okay, let's go. There is also some manual and a charging cable here. We'll go with one of the heads. And this one is using regular 18 cell like this, basically. Now, how do I change the cell? You need to open it somehow. There is a screw here. I don't understand if I need to unscrew it in order to put the battery. Doesn't make sense to me. Okay, this one I need to see how to open it. Anyway, the head is very simple. You just push it inside like this. Yeah. And then we need to open in order to get the battery in. So now come the manual part. Now it looks like it should open without any issue. Just like this. Maybe. First you need to unscrew the screw. Yeah. So you must unscrew the screw. And then it opens. There is a battery inside. Amazing. So it came with a battery. So why it is not working? It is not working because I did not press the on button. Okay, so you need to press it a little in order to put the screw back. And now we can power it on. To choose the language, English and Celsius, and then power it up. Whoa, you see? Very fast. Trying to understand. Each press is more than Celsius degrees. I usually use 350. Yeah, because the head is here very small, so you can expect it. Yeah, to be good for massive things that you want to solder, but for tiny things, amazing. Amazing. I wonder how much time the battery will last on this. Probably not a lot, probably maybe 20 minutes or so, I'm not sure, but yeah, overall very nice product. Now how do I turn it off? Yeah, a long press, and then probably this cover you can put it while the head is still hot and it is magnetic. Very nice feature. Magnetic cap here, and yeah, it looks very nice. I like it because totally portable, no need for Type-C connection, no need to power bank. Very nice. I wonder what... another nice feature that I understand just now. Yeah, you can just rotate the knob here to get the desired temperature, so you don't need to press these arrows. You can also set it here. Each knob is 50 degrees Celsius change. Nice feature. Wow, I like it. Very easy to set the temperatures that you want to work with, and then you can see that it is got to it. You can see the battery level. I like it. Good for you, FNIRSI. I like your products. Thank you. Very nice product. This company is doing very, very, very good stuff. I have to admit, Chinese, but it's all, by the way, aluminium. This is a rubber here. Very nice. I like it. And yeah, very recommend. Also, it came with a battery inside. So that's all. Thank you and bye.